What's up, y'all? Let the beat slap, right? Let's fade it out a little bit at a time until it's gone. What's up, everybody? This is your DJ for tonight, DJ Keith. All right, hang on a second here. Let me get this shit pulled up. Everybody's seen the disclaimer. It's like 30 more seconds on the disclaimer, so I'm going to give it. There we go. Never mind, it was 5 seconds. Disclaimer's off. What's good, everybody? Who's ready to make some money tonight? I'm ready to make some money tonight. Is y'all ready? I'm ready. All right. If you haven't had a chance yet, please go hit like. Go hit subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss shit. Because we do this every Tuesday and Thursday. Pay attention, bro. You see the title of the. You see the title. I know the thumbnail was screwed up. Whatever. YouTube wasn't very happy about me posting the thumbnail, and it just stuck with it. It didn't change it. So, new thumbnail was Algorand tonight, and we're gonna talk about it. Trust me, we're gonna talk about it. I hope everybody's been doing good. I'm not gonna sit around and wait forever because there's already 20 people on here. What's up, Jeremy? What's up, Goombas? Hey, listen, Goombas, you ain't gotta tell me, brother. I already got 100 bones on it. What's up, D. Warren? Jude, my guy. What's up, Pops? What's up, Aunt Lawson? Mr. Phibb, my guy. Hey, what's up, Captain Brimmer Hope? Hey, Robert Morris, my guy. What's up, dude? We got some shit to talk about tonight. Oh, we got some shit to talk about tonight. So, real quick, let me pull up a picture here for you. I want everybody to see it here. There you go. Right there, Jose says, just hit 1,000. He went on to go ahead and tell me he wants to learn how to trade. Talk to me a little bit. I carried on a conversation in Spanish, which was tough, but I did it. I did it, by God. It was pretty fun talking to him about it because he was clearly excited. He was asking me about funding fees. He was asking me about transfer fees, withdrawal fees. You know, what can he do to learn? So I put him on the instructional videos. He says he's going to get after it and watch it. Hey, what's up, David R? What's up, Electric Ken? What's up, Mullet? Glad to see you again, brother. What's up, Jansen? Hey, dude, we got people flying on here. I like it. So, first thing I want to do is talk about Algorand here and what we've seen, what it's doing, and where we think it's going. What's up, China? What's up, Canada Matt? Canada Matt in the house. We got rules, by the way, everybody. If you donate, if you donate to the Super Chat, or if you decide you want to donate somewhere else, which I also have here, I'll pull it up real fast. We'll get this shit out the way and get the chart in here. I don't like to talk. I like to chart. I like to chart, man. Right here's the Classroom website. You click on donations. It kicks you over to the donations page, man. It's real simple, bro. All these different ways you can donate. All right, you can do the PayPal, you can do the Cash App, you can do the Super Chat here, or just hit me up on Telegram and we can do crypto. I don't care. I'm going to give it all away anyway. Right here's the website. Right there, bam. You know, hey, go look and find something you like. We got shirts for sale. We got stickers for sale. I got the stickers right here. I just got envelopes today. I'm getting stamps tomorrow, and the stickers getting mailed out, bro. Prices are on there. I get the other stickers probably Monday, the Mafia stickers with the hand, the one over my shoulder here. So Algorand. You see I had the buy signal sign stuck right here. I'm just going to jump on into this. What's up, JC? I got the buy sign stuck right here at 1227, okay? The reason I did that 1227 is because we had 2 over the 8 and 2 over the 21. All right, it fell back down, and that's fine. Could have had another buy just a couple of days later at roughly the same price, so I haven't moved it. All right, I just left it where it was. Robert Morris, bro, I got you, homie. Hit me up, and I'll text you in Telegram and get your address and stuff. Got to write that down. Thank you, brother. I appreciate 10 bones. We'll get that shot over to the next person we're donating to, whom we still haven't picked out. So if someone in the list here has somebody they want to donate to for a good cause, we're going to try to get a good lump sum together and give it away. All I need you to do is message me right there, Carolina Keith _1 on Telegram. It's in the corner right here. It's in the corner right here. Hit me up. We'll find out somebody who can donate the money to, okay? Anyway, I got a buy sign of 1227.20. All right, so there's another reason I did that. On September 29th, I shared this chart to TradingView, okay? It's a little sloppy looking, but bear with me, all right? I'll try to zoom in so you can see here. I have all the MACD and the RSI and all this stuff pulled up, but I wrote here, okay, we had a head and shoulders formation, which is what I got drawn in black. It played out, it dropped. How far did it drop? It dropped to support. Look, I had tons of support written right here. All right, I had boxes drawn. I had different target boxes drawn. I had one target box, two target boxes, and my the third and last proper buy box here. Damn, Robert, Moonrider, my guy. All right, hold on. That's one for Robert. One for Moonrider. Oh, shit. Nick hit me up in PayPal. It's moonshine tonight. It's moonshine tonight. So bear with me. It's going to be rough. Anyway, I had a proper buy box at about 22.5, okay? So remember this right here. I wrote, Algorand looks to be failing to break the 50 fib upward. All right, I wrote that. The fib's not there, but that's what I wrote, okay? And holding the downtrend line, short term, stuck between resistance above and a massive amount of support below, a test downward is only logical from here. A big head and shoulders look to drive continued capitulation down, that means fall, and force a test on the monthly support line. Right there's monthly support. I expect to bounce back up from here with a long-term fight to get back its lost ground. Short target of 23 to 21.5 and long from there. Interesting, right? Well, what happened, everybody? Well, right here's that price action I was in on. So that's September 29th right here. And we had it down, and we had it down, and we had it down. And look where it ended up at. I said 22 to 21.5, huh? $23 to 21.5 is what I said. There's 23. And there's 21.5. On September 29th, I told you what was going to happen on November 3rd. Now, how did I accomplish that? Well, quite simply, it comes down to technical analysis. To using your technical analysis to break down the chart play by play. You don't have to guess, folks. There's no guessing needed, okay? I shared this to the whole world on TradingView for a reason, because at this time, I had a few people running their mouth to me, talking shit, okay? And I don't mind it if people talk shit, okay? I'm cool with it. I'll talk shit back to you, and we can go back and forth and have fun. But it was getting hard, okay? They were really coming at me, being a hardcore dick. And I was like, I about had enough. And no matter what I said, they kept coming at me, filling up my inbox with hate stuff, dude. I was getting like 12, 13 messages a day on Twitter of negative, like, fuck you, I want to kill you, all this kind of stuff. I was getting stuff on Facebook. Come on, man. I was getting random Telegram messages that say, go to hell, I hope you die. 786 is full of shit, all this kind of stuff. And then I called this perfectly, and I told you to long it from here. Sure enough, it's done nothing but long. This one wick is really odd. It's only on the Binance exchange. This is not on the Coinbase exchange. So it's either just a glitch wick or something. Either way, from that point down here, if you did what I showed, if you did what I shared, as of today, you'd be 450% in the positive. 450% in the positive. All because I didn't guess. All because I didn't guess. There's no reason to guess at this stuff. We don't need to say, I hope. We don't need to say, I wonder. We don't need to say, man, maybe. It's not necessary. No more of that. We don't need it. I keep telling my boys here at the house, we had this talk again tonight. You know, you don't get to talk to your mama that way. You better watch your mouth. Otherwise, you got to deal with me. There's consequences, right? So when you guess there's a consequence, you're probably going to get wrecked. You might guess right, but you're probably going to guess wrong. So don't guess, man. It's not necessary, dude. There's no reason. This is just one chart. Okay, on the same time frame, I shared all these others. The CME gap I was wrong about. I'll be happy to say. This come up about 50 or $100 short on the CME gap, and then it went up from there. I did expect it to go up from there, but it just didn't go down as quite as far as I thought it would go. Cardano on November 20th. You know, look, blah, 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 blah. If we can break 137, a long-term breakout in the weekly, monthly could be in store. That's Cardano. Do I even need to show you the Cardano chart? Jesus Christ. Look at this thing. Yeah, she gone. There was that 34-cent range. All right, hold on. Which one was it? Which one was it? What'd I say here? I spoke wrong. 13 cent. $1.37. 13.7. So if it can break and hold 13.7, which was way down here, long term it could be good. And look at that shit long term. Like, get out of my face. I told you. 13.7. 539% if you just followed the technical analysis and didn't guess. 500%. 500%. That's two different ones. I've already shown you. What else I got over here? Zilliqa. What day is this? November 20th. I shared this on November 20th. A break past 786 with a hold and close could lead to some very nice gains. 35 cents is possible with corrections being met. Okay? Let's have a gander. November 12th. Look at there. It broke the 786, went right on up, checked down on it, and hasn't stopped since. Let's do a check on the percentages here. November 12th. $450%. Another 450%. It's not that complicated, everybody. This is from November 20th. Link. Chain link. I said we see it's clear at 15 to 16. You know, we could see some little bit black. Could see $10. More realistically, continuation up. $37 target. I'm not doing this to brag. I'm doing this to show you that you don't need to guess. Not needed, okay? November 20th here. Yep, I said if it didn't break and hold, it was going to fail. It failed. I said it would fail back to $10. It actually wicked all the way down to 7.5. But look where the candle stopped. You know, right around $10. Right around $10. You had one wick blow past it. But for the most part, $10. That's crazy, right? And then I said 37.50. We're not there yet. Look, we hit 30, so we still have some more, in my opinion. 37.40 here, 37.40, 37.50. I picked a round number. That's the reason that number come out to where it is. So, you know, hey, Link still has some time if you want to get in on it, probably. So, again, that was it. Like, let's do the. Somebody said I could say XRP. Who was it? It was Ken. Damn it, Ken. I got to pour another drink. Hold on. This is 180 proof backwoods Western North Carolina moonshine. Nice hearty drink. How about that? Mix it with some Buffalo Trace bourbon cream. A little dab will do. Not much. Not much, just a little bit. And have a little vanilla flavoring to give it a kiss. Right there. Stirred, not shaken. Anti James Bond because I live in America, not England. No disrespect, Tim. I see you in here, bro. Good to see you. Ooh-wee. That's a little stouter. Whew. All right. There we go. You can gift that, China Matt. So the point of all this was, and I say don't guess, I say pay attention. The question is, are you actually paying attention? Are people actually hearing what I'm saying? Or are people just watching this and going, oh, he's going to give me a good price? And I think for the most part, a lot of people are just watching to get a good price. All the mods over here, y'all aren't doing that. I have the proof of you guys busting ass and trying. And every so often I do get a message from someone, asking me something, which is awesome. But for the most part, it's me reaching out to people. And it would be nice for a change if the world would reach out to me rather than me reaching out to the world. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. They ain't going to get Sam Darnold, Jeremy. You better be fucking playing. Share the article. Share the article so I can dislike it. Anyway, it'd just be nice if people would apply themselves a little bit. I had another talk with another guy today, and he was saying, "Hey man, how much you up?" I don't ever talk about how much money I have. Okay, I purposely don't do that. I think it's braggadocious and it's belittling to people, and I don't want to do that. But he asked me how much money I was up, and I was like, "Bro, I'm doing well." Okay, I'll just say I'm doing well. And he was like, "Well, what about this Dogecoin stuff I hear?" And I was like, "God dang it. Just stop." He said, "Well, I'm just interested in some stocks." So just to be nice, I shot him a couple stocks. You know what I mean? I'm like, "Hey man, here's a couple things. Here's my Bank of America chart. Here's the Tesla chart, and here's some shitcoin charts, and then here's some penny stocks. Give them a look, man. See what you think." I haven't heard anything back from him. I didn't get a word back. So like, well, come on, man. You got to try, bro. He just want me to tell him buy, sell, buy, sell. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm one guy on a journey, man. I got a team of guys behind me who kick ass and take names every single day. And they don't play no games, man. They don't play no games. Everybody's about their money. People are making insane gains. I'll put it that way. I ain't going to put Jeremy's business out there on how much money he's got or don't have, but my man's up 500%. How much percent are you up? Oh, I'm up 100% on X Ripple coin. I'm up 100%. That's nice. That's nice. I know some guys who are up big, who don't own a single Ripple coin. They don't own a single Ripple coin. I wish you the best of luck on your Ripple coin journey. I really do. The girlfriend has a bunch. All right. So it's advantageous for the price to go up. Okay. It would be wonderful in this house if that happened. All right. So don't think I hate, because it's not about that. It's not about that at all. I want everybody to make some money. Okay. So the past couple of days, we see some crazy shit. Yesterday, every chart I had was up 15+%. Everything I owned was up 15+%. I was like, dude, what the hell is going on? Things were popping like crazy. Couldn't keep up. Had so many things going on at once. It was extra lit. It was extra lit. Oh, I got it, Nick. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. I have to figure out how to get PayPal alerts on my computer here so they pop up while I'm doing this. I just haven't got to setting that up yet. I'm going to write down, anybody who wants a chart looked at, please say so. I see Villain says Ren. We'll look at Ren, absolutely. Today is the 11th, right? Yeah, it's 11th. I try to write everything down I talk about so I can go back and look in history at what we were talking about. All right. I know Ren. We see Ren up here. Hey, what's up, Danny? What's up, Villain? Did you say Buffalo? Still got my link bag just in case because it was free. I feel it, dude. Certified firewater. You damn right, bro. That stuff will kill you. What did Ken say right here? He said, team and group effort. We bust our ass every day to verify with each other to get stuff right. It's totally true. Yeah, what Aunt Lawson just said is, it goes back to that old saying, give a man a fish, teach a man to fish. Exactly. I feel it, Nick. That this way they get nothing. REM and ARNX got you, Hope. ARNX. JAR, Anthony says. Yeah, I saw that earlier. You shared a JAR chart. What people in our group don't realize is the sheer amount of conversation and chart that goes on 24 hours a day from a well-diversified, well-educated team of like-minded folks. That was way too much for me to normally read that fast. You can tell I'm not drunk yet. because normally I can't read that fast because I'm a slow. I'm a slow. All right, let's get to some of the normal coins, the legacy coins here for everybody. Bitcoin is still up there flirting with the big dog lines. You ran right off of 1414 earlier today. It did a beautiful touch. I know it's turned early today. Relax. Relax. It's okay. As long as this hangs out over 1272, and actually as long as it hangs out over all-time high, it's fine. You're perfectly okay if you get a drop down here to get my arrow tool pulled up. I'm struggling. There we go. If we get a drop down here to the all-time high and test it, that's fine. What would that do for us? Well, that would give us fibs to another move up. That almost, in a sense, certify 52,000, which was my second target, okay? You see target 1, we hit it. Target 2 is 52,000. That'd be this down and then back up and then test again right here and then down and back up. And then we go up here to my 60,000 range that I said would happen all the way back in November. And everybody was laughing at me and other groups saying you're an idiot, blah, blah, blah. It's going to 25,000. I said, no, unless you need to listen. Okay. I'm not playing around. It's going to go. So we'll see what happens. This is speculative right now. I don't like to speculate, but this thing's over all-time high in price discovery. Let it eat. It's going to do its thing. You just need to chill and sit back and relax and count your money. We got the whole month to go here. Remember, after March, that's the end of the quarter, and things are going to get shaky. So after March, we can talk more. And maybe even going into March. We're going to find out, okay? This time last year is when the bad stuff started happening. This time we're prepared, okay? We're prepared. Everyone set stop losses and be ready. Not that complicated when you set a stop loss. Again, we hit target 1, target 2's next. We'll see about target 3, and then we'll go from there, okay? I like target 3, though. I like target number 3. Jump into Ripple coin here. Still up and sideways a bit. We have this tits move in coming right here. Hasn't done it yet, but it looks like it's wanting the golden cross again. If that happens, we're going to get this pullback. How far? I'm going to assume the AEMA, okay, which is right now at 48, but might be up to 49.5 by the end of this candle if it keeps going up. If it keeps going up. This is a really, really, really ugly daily candle right here, but it's played out, okay? It's still doing its thing and trying. It is hitting this shit zone right here. We'll see what happens. The chances it goes up are about 50-50 in my opinion. And I don't like playing 50-50 moves, all right? That's just not my game. I don't like 50-50 plays. Let's see. All right. Jar is boiling. Yes, sir, Grimace. I got it wrote down, bro. We're gonna look at that one. What's the chances of being different going up this time? I think they're higher, much higher. I think you're about a 25% chance of a major, major, major correction. A 50-50 chance of a normal correction, and a 75% of price discovery on other coins also. I'm just not scared. It doesn't scare me. I'm not afraid of this, okay? If you're scared, go to church. If you're that worried, you shouldn't be in cryptocurrency to begin with. You should be giving your money to your 401k guy and letting him waste your money for you. Okay? That's just my opinion. XLM, because we're going through legacy coins here. Look at XLM go. I don't think it's done. I think we're heading to 53 cents. So if you're in XLM and you're comfortable with holding on to it for a little bit, I like 53 cents and 60 cents. It's a beautiful looking chart. I wouldn't fret. I like it. I know RSI is rolling over a little bit. There's no sale yet. This is still a good play. Everything's going to touch the ADMA. It might not even touch the ADMA. It may just go up from here. Play it smart, okay? Play it smart. Set your stop losses and don't be scared. I guess we need to go to the new number 4 in market cap, which would be ADA. My goodness. Let's actually go over here to the big ADA chart because I want to show you a high time frame first. Because Cardano is threatening to break all-time high. It's an absolutely beautiful chart. Let me add in an 886 fib here. There we go. Got that added in. Clear down, clear broken up, blew through every important fib. At some point, this is going to correct. Don't panic, okay? Got you, Villain LRC. Let's see. Can't be scared when you have stop losses set. Absolutely right. Hey, what's up, Chi-Town? The game is to be played and slayed. That's right. Scare money don't make money, what JC said. You damn right it don't. Bro, Ice Cube said it best, my friend, and Snoop Dogg, if you're scared, go to church, homie. You knew this was a big boy game when you signed up for it. Either way, ADA has broken 886. It's going to test all-time high here at some point, which is $1.30. I know that's spooky to hear, but that's just what's going to happen. The fibs look wild on this one. We're over the 2 on the daily chart. Can't even look at the daily chart anymore. Got to go to weekly. Well, weekly's clear of all tits moves as well. So really, I need to look at monthly because the daily chart's tapped out. The daily chart's tapped out. The weekly chart's tapped out. Daily's about all you got. Monthly's about all you got left. It blew through every June 19 upper to over target, everything. And I got $1.47 here. I said $1.30, so $1.41, maybe short of that. Maybe short of that. We did touch 94 cent, which was the 1272 on the April 18 move. But there was more chart than this on CoinTrader, okay? It's actually a little higher up here on CoinTrader. The all-time high is. So ADA, I mean, I feel a pullback coming. It's just not a sale yet anywhere. This isn't, I mean, it's a long way from the 8. Everything's high. If you want to sell, knock yourself out and be prepared to get back in because I like ADA a lot. It went to number 5 overall market cap, but Tether's in there, so I count it as number 4. And we'll do one more. Which one? Let's do ZIL. We already talked about ZIL. Let's do EOS. EOS is finally broken out of its big wedge. There you go. Now you can see it a little better there. Broke out of the big wedge here. Popped up over the 382. Heading for the 50 fib at $5.5. Beautiful stuff. Creating an inverse head and shoulders here that's slanting downward, which means it's probably going to get hung up, and that's fine. But that's also going to get it a chance to build a really big inverse head and shoulders that's really nice and well defined and get a bigger push up towards $16, okay? I like EOS. It's probably going to take a little time to get up that high, but I still like $5.5 at least. At least. And if not that much, $7.60, okay? 5.5 or $7.60. Sound good? I like it. As long as I'm at church right now, market is way up. I've moved all my stops up to 5% below the 8, expecting the 21 to be tested. You hear that? How's ADA as future as utility? Yeah, ADA smart contracts. And I believe they work with Ripple. I'm not positive. Bro, I kind of keep out of the news. I leave the news to the Hopium dudes on YouTube. And if you want some news that's non-Hopium, go talk to Dustin because he actually, Viking Vision, go check out his channel. He actually doesn't just talk about Twitter news. He actually creates Twitter news. How does he create Twitter news? He actually goes and talks to the developers. He talks to the people in charge. You're not getting that anywhere else, I don't think. So that's pretty dope. I like EOS. I'm in it. That's my green buy line right there at 288. I'm just saying. Let's get into these ones y'all wanted to hear now. Okay, let's do REN first. We're not going to see an ugly chart tonight. I don't think there's any left. All right, let's pull some of this stuff off so it's easier to see. Beautiful thing about what Ren did. It was one of the early ones. It broke June 19 early, all the way back in last year's July area, middle of the year. And after that, it settled over top of support, which this is what Ripple couldn't do. It fell on down here, okay? But this one held, just like XLM and others did. You created a head and shoulders here, but in this bullish scenario, not bearish, the head and shoulders didn't fade, all right? It broke loose. And that's how you can tell the difference between a bear market and a bull market, okay? In bull markets, head and shoulders that point down don't go all the way down. They don't drop, capitulate. They don't capitulate. They'll hang up there up top, okay? And that's exactly what this one did. Should have been a sign for everybody, by the way. Can't catch everything. It's cool. Either way, it created this August zone area here of resistance. As you see, this one broke it. Not only did it break it, but it retested it. Retested it right here perfectly. And after it retested it, did a beautiful fib reversal. Look at that. Right up to 2 different profit lines. It's almost like technical analysis worked perfect on this chart. Not only that, it created this wedge above support. A wedge above support is bullish, not bearish. Okay? So look at that. Broke right loose, tested it, gave you a free buy-in, and took off. It's not that complicated. Where do I see Ren going? Let's have a gander. Boy, it's already pretty high. I'll be straight with you. I'm getting frustrated with these fibs not working right. Automatically resetting on me every time and stuff. It's not cool, bro. It's not cool. I'm not even going to fiddle around with them for the rest of the night. I'm just going to leave them. Yeah. I mean, it's, like I said, it's still really high up. So be careful here. If we hit $1.11, that's probably the time I would back off. It's really high. But hey, if you want to stay in and you're in the project and stuff, that's cool. That's not my thing, but I'm down with it if you're down with it, okay? It's your thing, and that's what you want to do. I'm cool with it. REM. Ooh, okay. This looks like OXT and looks like Algorand. Yeah, it's got this kind of June chart layout. It's got nothing but bottoms here and bottoms. You've got right at 886, you're getting sniped out, but it's building a pennant right here. Pressure's building. Yeah, you got beautiful looking fit. You got beautiful looking MAs here. That's all day. Whew, it's a good looking chart. Inverse head and shoulders is kind of sloppy, but it's there. Yeah, this is going to keep going when it gets loose of support. I mean, when it gets loose of resistance. How far is not too hard to guess. 0005, 0006, and then you're going to get up here to 1 cent territory, possibly even 2 cent territory. Not bad. Hey, David R, bro, 2 bones. Let me write down everybody who gets a sticker. Hold on. So it was Ken and Moonrider. And so far, that's it, right? Yeah, Ken, Moonrider. Yeah. All right. Nick on PayPal. Thank you, David, brother. It will be given away to a needy people, to a needy family, a family that's in hard times. I want to help out people who need helping. I'm doing well. I don't know how well y'all are doing, but bro, I'm doing great. I'm not even going to complain. I'm not going to be that selfish dude who just does this to get money from other people. Not my game, not who I am, not who I'll ever be. Got you, Hope. I got him on the list. Hey, Hope, let me know which stickers you want. I'm sorry, not which stickers you want. Hit me back in the DM over there on Telegram, Hope, so I can get back with you on which address you want to send it to and stuff. Thoughts on Lind? We'll do that. All right, we did Ren, we did Rim. Let's look at Jar. This is the one that you just heard Goomba say was building pressure, and he's exactly right. I got a couple dollars in this one, as you see. We got I'm writing stuff down, sorry. Brush here. Inverse head and shoulders. A clear defined neckline. Right there. You can even move it up higher. That's fine. This is going to come right on up here to 00065 and stop, and it's going to break eventually. It's going to snap right on through. I like Jar's chart a lot. This is going to do good things. I'm fairly sure you're going to get on up here into price discovery on Jar. Boy, howdy. That's going to get up here to... This chart right here is a floozy, okay? Man. This floozy. This is a floozy for sure. I like Jar right here. I'm marking it for myself also. ARNX. This one's intriguing because it hasn't broken trend yet. I'd be careful. But y'all know how I am, man. When it comes to new coins and stuff, I've just seen too many of them drop. Right off the bat, you know. See, that hasn't broken trend yet, so I'd be careful here. I want to see it break this trend line. Breaks this trend line, then we can talk. Because that's the case, it's going to keep going. And we are having the 8 and the 21 is going to push up on the 100 here, and the 50 is going to turn. So you are going to get some price action one way or the other here. All right? So let's see what happens. See what happens. This one's going to be a no for the time being, though. LRC. Where are you at, LRC? There we go. You're at some daily profit lines. Goodness, I got a lot of stuff on this chart. Sorry. I know it confuses y'all when all this stuff's on here, so I'll take it off. But for me, it doesn't confuse me because my eyes are used to it. But to each his own, you know what I mean? To each his own. Everybody's got their own little unique style of charting and how you like to do it. So don't get mad if I don't do it the same way you do it, or if someone else does it differently than you and you don't like it. Just roll with it. If they start talking shit about you, you know, you can talk shit back, but just remember, if you can, try to stand up and pee, okay? If you don't want to stand up and pee, you don't have to. I like LRC to keep going to at least 98 cent. Villain, I think you asked about it. Loop ring. At least 98 cent and probably $1.62. So LRC has room to go in my opinion, and it's a pretty good looking chart. It's got a little bit of shit to get through right here. Everything's kind of high, so it may stop at 98 cent first and then, you know, do a double take. We'll see. Walton Chain. That's one of the big hitters. Yeah, here we go. Clearly, it's broken trend. Oh, hold up. Hey, Danny, thank you, bro. Let's go. Don't know a lot about TA, but I'm trying to change that. Keep up the great work. Thank you, brother. This money will get donated. I thank you, sir. Whew. Hey, Silent Doom, what's up, my guy? You said, hey, Jeremy. I wish I found this stream sooner. Keith knows his stuff. Are you one of Jeremy's friends? I'm his cousin, by the way. Ripple Rich. Yo, what's up, guy? I don't know who you are, but what's up? Glad to have you, and thank you for donating, my friend. Money will be donated right on to a needy family. That's how we do it here. Anything that gets donated, I give away. Pearl, I got you, Frank. Boy, the charts are flying in here. This is going to get to the point where I can't do this no more, right? All right. Let's see. Well, shit, Ron said. Except for GRT, right? Hey, thank you, Ripple Rich. One love, my man said. Big facts, man. One love to everybody. Nah, I don't hate anybody. That crazy Walmart coin. Yeah, man. 88 broke 886. Price steady 130, 141 range. That's right. Oh, no, you don't know him. Okay. That's cool. How'd you find out about us? How'd you hear about us, dude? I'm glad to have you here. Same way with you, Ripple Rich. How'd you find out about us, bro? I'm glad to have anybody who shows up for real. I want everybody to get smarter at this. I don't want to live in the world where I'm doing this by myself. One more drink, because that shit tastes good. This is called Dirty Water, by the way. It's a cream liqueur mix with moonshine, or you can just do whiskey. I did moonshine tonight with a touch of vanilla. All right. It's a lot of sugar, but that's okay. That's okay because it's like an upper and a downer. You know what I'm saying? WTC. So it broke the trend line here. Not only did it break the trend line, but it went all the way up to the 100 moving average and tested this neckline. Now, what's going to happen from here? Well, I'm assuming it's going to hang out in this range for a while until it gets to the point where it wants to break this trend line. That could be next week. I expect it. And if that's the case, I expect it to break it and run up a little bit and then retrace and touch the top. That's just part of the game. You don't have to like it. These charts don't lie. It happens over and over and over again. What makes you think what you invested in isn't going to do it? Okay? That's hopium, and don't fall for that shit. It's going to do it because every other chart does it. And if it doesn't test it now, it's going to test it later. Prepare. All right? Be smart. This is not that complicated. If you just apply yourself a little bit, you'll do really good and you'll make a lot of money, okay? I like Walton Chain to go to at least $1.20, $1.50, at least $1.20. At least $1.20. And we'll see from there. This is the June 19 area. We have seen some fall short of this and fade down. I kind of expect that from Walton Coin because it hasn't done anything in a long time. All right. And it's finally moved. I just expect it to go slow at first. Okay. Once it gets free, it may go a little faster. We'll tackle that thing when we get to it. All right. VET is in price discovery. It's a massive chart, dude. I have VET still, believe it or not. Bought VET at 002. That's right. I remember the day I bought it. Look at this thing, man. It's on an upward slanting. I'll move this channel out of the way here. We can put that up again later. Oh, oh, oh. There we go. Move this channel out of the way. It's an upward slanting inverse head and shoulders. All right, I've got this 1618 marked at 085. That's where I think it's heading. Okay, let me get this out of the way so you can see it a little bit better. But you got this shoulder, head, shoulder. It's slanting up, and you can see that it's kind of breaking the neckline right now. And if that's the case, there's a chance this thing hits this or goes past it to the midline and fades back. I'm not sure which one yet, and I don't know, and I don't want to guess. But I like VET to keep going some. I like it to keep going. I wanted to show you that big chart because it's got more data over there. GXS. If you're wondering why I'm on the weekly chart, it's because the daily charts are gone. They're all gone. It's too late. You missed those buses. And now we're looking at weekly. Oh, shit. Who told me about GXS? Who told me this? Speak up, whoever you are. Who told me about GXS? Yeah, I got RWM already, Ken, on the donations, bro. Who said who said GXS? Who it was? Fuck, Drizzy. God dang it. There you go, Drizzy. Oh boy. It burns so good on the way down, y'all. No, we're really close, Jeremy. Really close. 40 is the record, bro. Oh, sweet. Thank you, Rich. Somebody tell me who brought up GXS, because this is a burner right here. Look at this. This thing's done nothing yet. These are the ones I've been looking for, man. These that haven't done anything, that have plenty of room to go. Man, come on now. Look, it's in a wedge just like EOS was. Are you for real right now? How much juice has this got? I'm moving money right now. Is this a Binance? This is Binance. Bro. Dude, y'all are going to kill me. All right. Ripple Rich says, can you take a peek at Dent? Yes, but here's what's happened, bro. Y'all keep donating, and I'm going to get drunk, and I'm going to pass out live. So Ripple Rich, I need you to message me on Telegram, Carolina Keith _1, right there in the corner, okay? Because you've donated $10, you get a sticker, my man. Millie Rock, you get Drizzy, message me. Matt was the one who mentioned it. Dude, Matt, message me. I need you to message me, Matt, privately. Oh, man. I got to move some money around real quick. Hang on. This looks too good. I got to move some money around. Hold on a second. This is live, and I'm really going to make a trade real quick. Hey, Moonrider, remember that call I made on Bitcoin Cash, that it would come down and touch that point? Well, it came down and touched it, and I'm in now. All right, so I got to sell something. What's it going to be? I'll take a little bit of... Boy, I got so much stuff I don't want to sell over here. All right. Let's do a little OXT. Let's do a little OXT. Just a little bit. OXT. I'm going to move some money around. I'm going to get on this GSX chart. At this price. Got it. All right, then I'm going to go over here to the other one that I found that I want to sell a little bit off of. Here. This one is going to be over here. Yes, I'm talking while I'm doing this, so there's no dead air, because I'm told you don't want dead air time. But hey, man, this is live, and I'm doing this for real. I'm getting there. Hang on. Right there. Sell it. All of it. This price. All of it. Sell. Go. Go, 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 go. Man, I hate when I hit sell button and the price changes right as I sell. It's almost like they're watching. Bam, done it. So now let's go to GSX. GXS, not GSX. I'm an idiot. 100%, 53 flat. Got it. 53 flat. $53 flat. Do my lime green line. I'm not another buy. I need to move that to the right. How much should I buy? $1,200. There we go. Let's see what happens. Right? What's the worst that could happen? Doesn't work out. I'll just set a stop loss when this goes off, and we'll go from there. I know that can come down a little bit more. It's got tits moves coming in. That's fine. I'm going to play it. I'm going to play it. Very nice. Thank you, Matt, brother. This is the kind of stuff I've been talking about, man. Oh, I got you. I got you, Ken. Hold up. Ken said, things are going south, so I need to shift the algo. Well, no sweat, brother. Look what I got. Y'all know I keep an algo shifter. Keep an algo shifter, okay? Which gear should we go to on the algo shifter, okay? I got it in park now, so I've stopped it. I've stopped it. I tell you what. Let's bump it back to, you know, just first gear. We'll go back one gear. I'm not gonna throw it all the way back. I don't want to take it there. I think that's too far. But we'll keep it here, okay? We'll go with second gear on the algo shifter and not go too much farther. All right. All right, so I had to do that. I just felt like the right play right there. No, not leverage, Ryan Rogers, just spot, bro. It's GXS, Frank. My fault. GSX chain, correct. I'm sorry. It's that southern drawl that's hard for me to get it out, bro. Tron. Cavacho, I got you, brother. No, it's not an ICO at all. It's been going for a while. Hey, what's up, Dre? Good to see you, my friend. Glad to have you, Carolina Connection, in here, bro. Hey, Mr. Fia. Oh, he says shout out to the legendary mullet. I like this to break. This is one that hasn't done much yet, and what you're going to see here is, I'll pull up the, let's just do this. Let's do monthly so I can get more in here so you can see it a little better. All right. You notice the pattern here. It's just falling wedge, okay? I'll do a double chart here, and I'll pull up EOS on this side. No, go back. This side I want EOS. And we'll do monthly over here. Both of them in log. And what you're going to see is you got one that's broken trend and one that hasn't. Right there. Wedge on this side. Wedge on this side. This one broke north. I'm sorry, EOS broke north and broke the 21 weekly moving average, monthly moving average. This one hasn't done anything yet. You got the June 19 area here. got the June 19 area here. From this point to here is 278%. Hasn't done anything yet. An all-time high, it's way up there, okay? It's way up there. This thing is 53 cents, and the all-time high is 22 bucks. Okay, that's a good lick of percent. If this thing, let's double check our data here, okay? Let's double check our data. I don't want to be wrong about this. But Matt just put us on a burner, boy. Yeah, this one says 11.2. That's why I like to double check shit, man, because you can't tell all the time, okay? Sometimes this stuff isn't so accurate. This one says 11.2. Either way, let's play it by 11.2. $11.2. All-time high fib, all-time low fib. Broken the 236, the 382 fib is next at 81 cents. And you got 153, 64, and 35 up here. That's better percentage than Ripple Coin. Sorry, folks. That's 12,000% to 1414. Wake up. There are better charts out there, everybody. Are you listening? Are you paying attention? This is the title of the video, wasn't it? Are you paying attention? Look, man, you're getting some extremely good, extremely very smart people, not myself included, that are helping you out here and giving you very good numbers. You should be paying attention to this stuff. I'm not telling you to buy or sell. What I am telling you is there's a lot of money to be made. Don't be left behind. Don't get stuck at the train station, okay? Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. Don't be the person who says, I wish. Or the person who says, man, I could have. I don't want to hear it. You have too many opportunities. There's too much good stuff going on here to be sitting on the sideline hoping and praying, okay? All right. Bro, we got a lot of people here, and this is awesome. Thank y'all all for showing up, man. GRT. Going nuts, he said. We'll get to that one, too. BLZ for Hope. Yeah, BLZ has done great. If I'm not mistaken, it looks like Pundy, doesn't it? We're going to look at Pundy next, so might as well, right? Oh, yeah, look, Blue Zale has more in it, too. I got these marked up as profit boxes. Yeah. Yeah, 1272 at 32 cents. That's where I see that going next, Hope, 32 cents. And then a shot at 54. But really, I think 32 cents is going to be the upper echelon for the time. We're going to need a red candle on the monthly here somewhere, okay? Got to come in here somewhere. You're seeing a lot of red right now on the charts. Y'all haven't heard me panic one bit about that red shit. I'm still saying it's going up. Why? Because this has been the sentiment the last few times. We've seen these red candles, and I turn around and wake up in the morning at 5:30, and these sumbitches are all the way back up again. And I'm going, oh, man. Oh, man. And I'm like, well, last night I was watching it. It looked bad. Well, that's what you get for thinking, bro. Stop. Just relax. Relax. Don't freak out. Ain't no reason to freak out, my guys. I like Blue Zale to 32 cents. Pundy X. I already got my 100% out of it, but let's see. NPXSUSD. Doesn't have good data. Let's go over here and see this one. If you're wondering why I don't use CoinTrader all the time, it's just the interface is kind of glitchy, and I don't like that. Here's a textbook example of the June 19 area getting tested. And why I think some will do this and some won't. Okay, this one went straight to it, and I like this. It's a good sign, because this could happen on other charts also. The same downtrend that I just showed you on GXS, broken. And you could probably draw it a little different. I know that kind of looks shitty. Let's draw it a little better. There you go. That's more accurate. Broke that downtrend, popped up. That took 6 months to happen, okay? I'm not trying to sit in some kind of coin for 6 months. Not my goal. Where do I see this going, Hope? I don't think it's done. It's gotten some key levels broken. God, I hate these fibs looking like this. That's terrible. That'll work. Whatever. No, I need my 1272 and my 1414 up there. At least. Got it. Yeah, okay, so it's possible this thing goes all the way to 002 before it stops, but I think it's probably just going to check on top of the June 19 area here, just over top of all time, not just over top of the one line, and flirt for a bit, like VT, XLM, and some others did, because there's support here, okay? We'll see what happens. But I like it to keep going some. I don't think it's done. Check mark for Pundy. Lind hasn't done much. That's what someone said. Let's have a gander, bro. Hope everybody's listening. This has turned out to be very valuable information every single stream. Every thumbnail has come true. And that's not me bragging. I'm just trying to tell you that a whole team of people were watching this shit happen, okay? Look at this. Down, back up, over the 1414 perfectly. This looks like it's heading to 1618 to me at 1,100%. Or $1,100. $1,100. Let's go. Let me mark that up. Okay. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. This is exciting stuff. It's exciting stuff. People are messaging me. I can't constantly see. I can't see them all. All right. What else we got? Zap. Oh yeah. David R wanted Zap, I believe. Oh, Hitbit. Let's pull this off. We got a wedge forming here that looks like we're going to pop over. Is that all the data? Bet not. Oh yeah, more data. So June 19, blown through that. Gave it a test and bumped over. Now you got the August area you're trying to fight through. You're testing 786 at 17 cents next. You break 17 cents. Then you're heading up to 072. We'll go to the weekly on this one. I bet there's some other chop in here. Yep. 1272. If you can get over 39 cents on Zap, that'd be amazing. 17 cents, 24 cents, 39 cents on Zap. Frank wanted Pearl. If the girl wants pearls, give her pearls. Big inverse head and shoulders. This one's going to take off, Frank. Hold your butts. Watch out for Pearl. Warning. Let me put the shapes in here to make it easier for everybody to understand the depth of what's about to happen here. Shoulder. Head. In French, this is called épaule. Okay, this is tête, épaule, and on the way, which means head, shoulder, shoulder. I dabble. This is going to the one line. Bet on it. 12.7. After that, if we can break that one line, boy, you're free to 25 cents on Pearlin. I really like this chart. Watch out for Pearl. It's also one of those that only has data back to June, just like Algorand, okay? Just like Algorand. Watch out for Pearl. Dent. Yowzas. Inverse head and shoulders. This one's going to fail up here, I bet. I say that and it won't fail. Right there. June 19. Yeah, maybe we push on up there. If so, that'd be awesome. It's just been a really big month for... Now, why did that change? I didn't do that. Yeah, this has been a really big month for this company here. That thing has popped up all the way to 786. If it can get over here, I mean, that's got a chance to go all the way to 0058. It's a tricky one, though, okay? Based on the fact that it's went so far so fast, it's probably going to need some time to chill here. So watch out for a big retrace. It's stuck under 786 right now. It could probably end the week off right in this range at 0014. So be careful on Dent. It's went a long way already. Just be careful. Hold your horses. Don't freak out. GRT has gone crazy lately. Yeah, Andrew was talking to me about GRT here today at work. Different Andrew, not the one in here. Yeah, bro, she's off to the races. Hardly any data here. With lack of data like this, we really don't know everything we want to know. And this one's clean and clear and cool to run. I wish it would stop so I could rebuy, but it's too late. I can't. One of these ICOs that took off and looks like Dogecoin. I can't give you a stopping point on this at all. I'm sorry. Maybe $5. I wish I could. I don't have any data. For that reason, I normally don't buy them when I don't have the data, okay? I like to see the data and play off the data. I want to know what may happen. I don't want to guess. Yeah, Tron looks beautiful. I apologize for the yawns, but it's already midnight. Got a neckline here. Clear inverse head and shoulders. Shigon. This could stop here or it could pop up and keep moving toward 074, which would damn near be double. Not quite. It'd be like 75%. Like 75%. Let's see. Be cautious right here. Shits could switch up wick. Yeah, I agree, Bagger. I agree, Dre. That's why I keep preaching stop losses. God almighty, set your stop losses. What Nick just said he was doing was he's putting his 5% under the 8 EMA, which ends up being in the wait a minute zone, which is fine. He's expecting a 21 touch, essentially. Which is I would be down with. I would agree. We haven't had things touch the 21 in a long time. On some of these coins, they just haven't. Mithril being another example. It's been several days since it did anything significantly retraceable. It's over this current level. I believe it's just going to hit here and go. You ask about Myth, Jeremy. I like it a lot. I got a pretty good amount of money in Myth here, and I think it's going to ride out. I like it. I'm not afraid of that one with red candle at all. I like it to go all the way to 0.03, 0.032 at least. 0.032 at least. Let's see. OGN looks like Pearl. Yeah, me and you talked about that one, Matt. Let's have a look, see what do you say. Be honest with y'all, I'm sleepy. I'll be all right. It's a man's world. Yeah, look at OGN. It's just one big cup. Failing at 786, so be careful here. I hate to see you get caught in a drop situation where it goes back down to 32 here. It's possible. You don't have much data here. Yeah, see, it's failing at 786 right here. If it can hold the 8 and the 21, this can keep pushing up, but keep your eyes open, okay? You may have a touch more down. This may come all the way down to 32. Be careful here. It's still a buy, not a sell. So, one step at a time. What's up, Crypto Boss Andrew, my guy? It's on Binance, OE312. It's on Binance. That's where I got mine. Hey, what's up, Israel? My man said just got off work. I feel it. I worked a little late today and then had to go do. You know what? One of the small benefits of, I know it's, I don't want to be shitty, but there was an untold benefit of the pandemic, and that untold benefit was I don't have to go inside of Walmart anymore. I can go to Walmart pickup and they deliver the junk right to your trunk for you, put it in your trunk, and tell you to have a nice day, which is great. I haven't been inside of Walmart in like 6 or 7 months, and I'm so happy about it. Let's rock and roll. Get that next sphere ice out. How about one more glass? What do you say? What do you say? It's getting into the deep hours, isn't it? No mixers this time, okay? No mixers. Just straight moonshine. Like men and women. Moonrider just said DeFi launches like GRT are the exact opposite of ICOs, launches like Pearl. He's absolutely right. The DeFi coins have entered and then taken off, and entered and then taken off. It's really quite miraculous. Now, it's not really miraculous. It's just super interesting because it kind of goes against the grain of what you would think. You know, usually in regular ICOs or IPOs, which is initial coin offering or initial purchase offering of a stock, it goes up for just a little bit, then it drops. When all those initial buyers get their buy-in back plus a profit, they leave. Okay? It's not really happening at all on DeFi. You're seeing DeFi stay up there, which is really cool. I think that's good for the space. Now, if you're asking me what do I think about DeFi in general, well, I mean, I don't know. Mr. Fib is super into DeFi. If someone wanted to talk to Mr. Fib about it, please do so. He is all over it. Let me add a little bit to my Bitcoin Cash here. It actually hit perfect. Exactly what I wanted it to do. I'm just going to add a touch, just touch the tip. Just going to touch the tip. Right there. Just going to add just a couple bucks to it. There. Bam. Just add a little bit. What's the worst that could happen? I got enough in there where I'm not going to get liquidated. What if I told you that my Walmart is so old that they're just now installing online grocery pickup and they have not finished it yet? It'll be ready for a few months. Bro, that's crazy. Walmart around here is popping. Walmart's pretty much shut down every store around here that sells any kind of bulk items. I feel like that's something to do with all the different ways you can make money with the DeFi coins. Absolutely, Jeremy, you're correct. Well, you had Walmart deliver now. You know what? Sam's Club delivered, and I went and picked up Walmart pickup today. So we had a big, massive order when I walked to home. I was like, great. Had a fuck ton of stuff, and it was pouring rain all at the same time. And the dog's in heat, so I got her running around with a fucking diaper on. I got an 80-pound golden doodle running around. A fucking $5,000 dog with a diaper on. In the rain while I'm carrying groceries. Bro, Thursdays are lit. And then I got to get on here real quick and start talking to y'all. And then I got Zooms going on at the same time. So, you know what I'm saying? It's a full circle, bro. It's a full circle. Maybe DeFi is everyone's dump airdrops for gains and then buyers come in. Yeah. The interesting thing about DeFi is essentially it's a way to loan out crypto to people who don't want to buy crypto. And you can kind of loan it out with interest, okay? So basically you set up the pool, you add coins to a pool, and people can loan out. I'm sorry, hang on. People can borrow out of the pool, and they pay you back interest, okay? So you're the bank at that point. You're the creditor. Instead of being the creditee, you're the creditor, which is awesome. You're the people on the other side of the credit card collecting the interest. What does that what does that mean? I mean, I think that means a ton of money coming into the space. Just me in general, I think that means the space expands. And if the space expands, well, everybody's money expands, okay? So that sounds like win-win to me. Do I think like it's a bit of a scam? It can be, because we've seen Sushi and a couple others, you know, kind of rip a lot of people off for a good stack of money, which I don't think is cool at all. But I mean, that's part of the game. Hey, Dre, let's go. Fuck out of here. I told y'all Monero was gonna go. Didn't Dre say Monero was gonna do something? Dre, virtual high five, my friend. Hey, China Matt, gift this. High five. Let's go. I'm dapping you up through the screen, bro. Right to the pivot. Goodness gracious, I like it. Told you, goddammit. Let's go. What else we got? Futures are starting to turn back around a little bit. I'm telling you, man, I'm not bearish at all right now. I'd love to tell you that some shit's going to dump, but I can't do it. All these charts want to go up so bad. Oh, boy. Let's get into some stocks real quick, okay? Remember I said I can't get my contractor items fast enough delivered rather than pick them up at Home Depot. VET still going up. XLM still going up, Israel. VET, yeah, right. Electric Ken just said it's in a price discovery at 437. XLM next targets are 53 and 60. Absolutely right. Yeah, like Mr. Phibbs said, I don't think it's a scam. It just gets scammy feeling to me. You know what? Everybody's got their own thing. And if I can make money on DeFi, you can guarantee you I'm going to be in it, okay? Oh, STBZ. I'm sorry, Danny. And then we're going to do some stocks real quick that I want to show you. And I want everybody to say, at least Keith told me about it. All right? Because I think it does Goombas justice if I talk to him about it. If I talk to y'all about it. Stabilizer is on the move, holding the 8. But I will tell you that I feel like it's getting a little high, and it may jog sideways here, Danny. So be careful, bro. Bullish CEO, what's up, my guy? You watched me already get drunk. You missed me already get drunk. See, almost every chart looks good except Dent. It may go sideways or down. BTC's rolling over temporarily. ARNX, no. Loopring looked good. Walton Chain. I actually bought GXS. That's Gilbert X-Ray Steven live a couple minutes ago because the chart looks really, really good. Thanks, Matt O'Connor. But stabilizer here may go sideways. Strat. Oh, man. You did it again, Matt? Jesus, dude. I don't have any more money. What am I going to do? I don't have enough money. I need more monies. My goodness. I mean, it's a clean inverse head and shoulders. Bro, that's a drunk shoulder if I've ever seen it. That's better. Neckline, well defined. Like J-Lo's ass. Well defined. Boy, this is a beautiful looking chart, Matt. Hey, listen, I need private voice messages sent to me with the details about all these coins. Stratus to, I think, $1.74 and $3.19. Boy, my handwriting gets rough when I get drunk. Oh, dude. Acre. $5. Thank you, sir. Israel said all that money invested means you can't touch anything until it's time to take profits. It's a happy kind of sad. Hey, Israel's awesome. DeFi allows you to become your own sovereign bank. Great place to put your profits and then mint and mint and mint and mint. Listen to what Mr. Phibbs saying, man. He's went really deep on DeFi. He knows what he's talking about, okay? Acres, oh yeah, these coins, you want to see, Acre? Or are you fucking with me? Because you know what's going on. Oh, you fucking MILF. I know what you're doing, dude. Damn it. Oh, God. Goomba says you chart better when you draw shoulders that look like nutsacks. Here's the thing. I hear Goomba saying it in that sexy accent he has. Okay? I hear it in that accent. So it makes me laugh hearing him say nutsack in that Aussie, in that like Aussie Southern English accent. Southern British accent. Bro, I'm over here fucking crying, laughing. That was good, Goombas. God dang it, that was good. Acre said, sorry, I'm just drunk. Bro, look at me. Like, my eyes are having a hard time right now. Matic is way up there, Daniel. Way up there. Matic is, I missed it. I'll be honest with you. This motherfucker right here. Look at that. All the way to 1618. Beautiful chart. It's too bad TA doesn't work. Look at that. Straight to 1618. I would stay out of this. I think there's too much risk and not enough reward on Matic right now. I would rather find something else, in my opinion. It's just me. Please do your own thing. Don't take my advice. I'm only one idiot on the internet amongst the many, many idiots. All right? Yes, this is technical analysis. No, this is not guessing. But this is how I do it. A bullish CEO messaged me right there, Carolina Keith _1, my guy. Bottom right-hand corner on Telegram. Download Telegram and message me. And we can let it slap, my guy. It's coins that I have listed. Or is that what you mean? Or do you mean the ones I'm watching or what? Because there's about 5 different groups of coins. I've got them grouped in different ways by the amount of time they took to do their move, how much percentage they have, the liquidity that they have on available, and some other random factors. EOS is doing fine. Weekly looks fine and dandy. Monthly, fine and dandy. Just do your thing, EOS. Keep on going. Yeah, look, EOS is in between R2 and R3. That's fine. Let it eat. I'm cool with it. I'm fine. That's beautiful. I'm not going to mess. I've been sitting on it, and it is time to take profit. Yep. Yeah, Daniel, that's at the I mean, honestly, dude, 1618 all the way at the top like that, my guy, that's take profit from me. And the only reason I say that is because I like to get into other stuff when I see something go that high, that far, okay? Is it possible they could go a little bit more? Yes. Maybe don't take all the profits, okay? Maybe don't take them all. Maybe take half. Maybe take 3/4. That's really up to you to play your own kind of strategy on that. Now, when I see them this high, I'll just go to something else. I mean, GXS, we talked about that a second ago, Daniel Warren. That has done nothing. So in comparison to Matic that's way up, I'd rather switch into something that's done nothing, and the risk reward is better. Moonrider says, looks like I need to check the Zoom. All right. Whew. Oh, hell yeah, Dre. I've been on. Listen, you think I don't listen, bro? I'll be listening. Okay. Got on Digibyte. Been on Digibyte. Got a good bit of it too. It went from 250 to 2200, then back to 2K. Yeah, man. Be careful, bro. Be careful. Oh, Litecoin. Yeah, Litecoin. I had a long on Litecoin and I took profits. Why? Because I had no profits and I made some profits. That's why. I'm not in this to make $1 zillion on every trade. I'm in this to make money no matter what. Yeah, Litecoin, I like it to keep going here. It's in between R1 and R2, where I just showed you one in between R2 and R3. This is going to pop up again, and it's going to head toward 224. Bet on it. Bet on it. It's going to head toward 224. Litecoin will. It may stop at 211 to 210 to 224. That's more like it. One Harmony, still looking good. It hit a profit line, but yes, it's one big inverse head and shoulders. You see that? I don't think I have to spell that out for you. I think you can see it. But I am going to draw a nutsack like inverse head and shoulders for Goombas, okay? There you go, Goombas. Inverse head and shoulders. And then you got this other shoulder here, okay? That's beautiful. This is going to keep on going. That's going to blow through June 19, in my opinion. Just got to give it a little bit more time. It needs to breathe some. It's on top of R3. It's fine. If it wants to jog sideways, that's fine. It can come all the way back down to September or August area right here, which is 14 cent, and go again. Possible as can be, okay? Don't sweat it. It's fine. I like One Harmony to keep on going. I don't think it's done. I don't think it's done. Goombas, you're my man, guy. Hey, for real, thank you for everything you do too, brother. Hey, Goombas has done such deep dives on charts, man. Y'all don't realize the time some guys put in, okay? I mean, for real. So many hours watching charts to make money, okay? And I'm super happy for everybody. I really, really am. Like, it makes me emotional thinking about how much people are making, man. And like, this is life-changing money, and I'm not bullshitting, okay? Bagger Dre says, just so y'all know, I dumped on my ETH. I own zero now. Hey, listen, I'm be straight with you. I sold my ETH when we did that. I had just a little bit of Ethereum. I sold my Ethereum. We did that interview because it was pretty high. It went up a little bit after that, but I moved my Ethereum over into EOS, and look what EOS did. It's on the way up, you know what I'm saying? So it's all good. BCH, yeah, my buy-in got hit. Absolutely. Let's look at it real quick. Yep, this one's going to keep going, in my opinion. It's going to ride the 8 a little bit. This looks just like Zcash without the extra candle. You're going to hit R1 here at 562. We already came down to 508-ish. Tested this 618 line at 514. Bounced off of it, and I think this is going to keep going. Why? Because I've already seen other charts do it, and the MACD has room, RSI has room. You're over all the moving averages. They look beautiful. You're just under R1. I think this is going to pop up and keep going, and I'm in it, and I'm going to let it ride. And I got good faith in Bitcoin Cash. Got good faith in it. Let's take this off and look a little deeper here. Over at Bitcoin Cash. There's a chance that it does the similar move like ZEC did, where it did 25% real quick. And if that happens, hey man, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Yeah, see, it's just kind of flirting under the 50 fib right now. That's fine. 916, like, are you serious? That's almost 100. That's almost 100%. It's 75%. I'm good with it. All right, Israel, you be good, bro. You be good, my guy. All right. Let's see. All right, listen. I'm not dealing with no fucking gas fees that high, Moonrider. It's crazy. I'm not paying $15 per transaction. I don't care how good the coin is. That's stupid. There were different splits, Jeremy. It was people who were a part of Bitcoin in the beginning who split it where they didn't like what was happening with Bitcoin. So they made their similar coins. It's just variants. Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Diamond, Bitcoin Gold. There's different ones. I want to show you guys some stocks real quick, okay? This is thanks to Goombas and Electric Ken for showing me these stocks. They did a pretty hard deep dive. I got them labeled as penny stocks, but you don't have to call them that if you don't want. So whatever. First, we'll start with. Let's start with. I did this Tuesday, and I'm going to show everybody now. This is the stock that a friend talked to me on the phone about, and I got interested when I saw it. And why am I showing you this? Because it did 1,000,000%. It did 1,000,000 mullet. I know you're probably still on here. It did 1,000,000% in 112 days. 3 months. It did 1,000,000%. All right, Daniel, bro, I see you in the chat. If this can do 1,000,000% after having this ugly of a chart, well, what else can? Okay, that's what I got to thinking. I said, well, let me try to find some of these really gnarly looking ugly charts. Are there more of them out there? And if there are, man, I want to see them. So got to digging around. I got on the scanner and I dug through charts. Goombas dug through charts. Electric Ken actually messaged me and said, hey, man, check this out and tell me what you think. I saw it and I went, oh, shit. Okay, so let me pull it up here. This is CEI. This is Camber Energy. This is the weekly chart, and it's done, as you see, absolutely nothing. I put it on daily just so you can understand exactly how bad it's been. It's done nothing. Since November 19, it's done nothing but jog sideways. It's finally now, though, broken over the moving averages. It's broken over the pivot. It's tested R1 and failed. That's okay. It's got R2 and R3 next. We got one more tits move right here. Okay. Complete this tits move at S1. This is going to straighten up. And then we can head up here. What's this green arrow way up here for? Well, I'll show you. There you go. The 100 moving average is right here. Could this continue going sideways? It could. This is why I didn't put very much on this, okay? I only put a little on it because, let's be honest, the chart looks terrible. However, I want to buy these ugly charts, okay? I want to buy these ugly charts. Yeah, Electric Ken just said it's up 30% this week, okay? I don't know what else to tell you. So that's one of them. The other one here is Seneca Biopharma, SNCA. That's Stephen Nick Cactus Apple, SNCA. This one did what I was talking to you about on CEI. You broke here and you moved up to the 100 moving average. Under the pivot, but it's trying. May fail here and rebound. We'll see. But you see the god-awful percentage this thing has got available. 18.5, and that's just back to super trend. What is super trend? Well, that was on the Rain on Me indicator. And I'll show you here. Let me hide this. Give it a second for this indicator to pop up. There it goes. Right here is the super trend indicator. And as you see, it's swooping down to about 18,500%. On CEI, where's it at? 15 million% or something stupid like that. Another one for you is this Lajola Pharmaceutical Company. Apparently they're in on vaccinations and stuff like that. So, super trend indicator. Where is it? This one's courtesy of Goombas, by the way. Way up there. $21 million%. Is that good enough? Yeah, 21 million%. Shut up. That's stupid. That's stupid good. INPX. Another one. All these are just penny stocks that look crazy. That I'm willing to put a little bit of money on and just leave it alone. Look, I mean, that's 41 million%. This could just jog sideways for years and then go. Whatever. That's fine. I didn't put much in it. Let's see. Remember I said I love them ugly bitches. Exactly. No, Pete. No. Pete says it's pronounced La Jolla. I'll go ahead and tell you right now that this is still America. And if I want to call it L.A. Jolla, then by God, it's L.A. Jolla. La Jolla it is. Thank you, Pete. Good to see you, my guy. Glad to have you. INPX, talked about that one already. Stupid, crazy percent. Now, on these penny stocks, I do not recommend that you go dumping a ton of money into them, okay? You're begging for problems. They're penny stocks for a reason, okay? Don't go crazy. Do not try to be the Wolf of Wall Street and go dumping a bunch of money into a bunch of shares. Play it smart. Use your technical analysis. Find your ins and find your outs, okay? I don't want to hear it if you lose money. I told you this is your money. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude, okay? I'm just one idiot on the internet. Oh, I hit buttons. Anthony said SWFT. Swift. Hey, Anthony, look what you just found. Is this on Binance? Where it's at? No, it's on Huboy and Poloniex and Hitbit. Interesting. Not very much data there, but there's a lot of data here. It's just riding the bottom. I like it a lot. So let's start with a horizontal line. Let's make that blue. All the wedges are blue for my eyes because I'm old. All right. It's kind of a tough call on this one, but I'm going to say there. And then it's a really not great looking inverse head and shoulders. It needs to break this line, okay? Break and hold that, and we're off to moves. We can go do more. Right here's June 19. Okay. Break this blue line here at 002 and 00225, and you can get up here toward double price, 100% at 005. It's got a good look to it, but be careful because it may just fiddle around and do nothing. Know what I mean? Just be careful. Play it smart. $21 million%, you can call it whatever you want to. SRK. That's going to be the last one, I think, Darth. Then we'll get back on the Zoom. Oh, deep. Yeah, I'm totally buying this one. Look at that. I think Darth just did this to fuck with me. Well, look at that. I don't know what to say. Look, that coin got introduced at $430%. Oh my God. Since introduction, 430%. Not bad. Not bad for a bunch of nobodies. I don't think that's bad at all. So I hope everyone got something from tonight. What was the main message? More so than anything, use your skills. You have the abilities at your fingertips to make a lot of money. Don't be afraid to take some small chances with stop losses set. Okay? Don't be scared. Money doesn't cry over you. Don't cry over it. Dig deep, grow some balls, let your nuts hang, and make some money. Set your stop losses if you're scared. And if they get hit, buy more, buy again. It's a minimal loss for a very high reward. Okay, don't panic, don't freak out. Watch your spots, have a plan, and make it happen. Okay, I want to see everybody make a lot of money here. I'm going to be messaging everybody I told y'all to message me to, that y'all ain't messaged me, or if you have, I'll get back to you. But I need addresses from you and stuff like that. So we'll get it handed over. Listen, from me, from the guys over in the chat box here, and the ladies over in the chat box here, and the people who don't want to identify or who don't have a gender, thank y'all. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate everything y'all do. I appreciate the donations, dude. That's so cool. And we're going to find an awesome person, one of the two, to give a big donation to, okay? And I'll let y'all message me on who y'all think it should be. We'll figure it out, okay? I'll be back on Tuesday. We got a long 5 days until then. A lot could happen. So set your stop losses. Take your bread. Get them prices. Like Mullet said, hey man, hit the like button on the way out. I appreciate it, Mullet. Thank you, my friend. Look, just use your intelligence. This is a simple mathematics and simple geometry problem on every single chart. You can figure it out. You can. You can. So thank y'all. I'll see y'all on Tuesday. Anybody needs anything, please message me. Let me know.